Are you tired of losing trades and struggling to make profits in the market? What if I told you that you could turn things around using 2 free indicators on TradingView? Well, stick around because today we're diving into TradingView to explore how these powerful tools can help you make money. For this demonstration, we'll use the Bitcoin chart on the 15-minute time frame. But don't worry, the indicators we're discussing work for Forex, crypto, stocks, and any markets you want to trade from the 1-minute to daily time frames. Pretty awesome, right? The first indicator we use is the double ribbon indicator by Chart Prime. This fantastic tool combines 2 sets of simple moving averages into a clear, easy to read ribbon, making it super intuitive to assess market trends and momentum. You'll be able to spot those profitable trading opportunities like a pro. To get started, go to the top of your TradingView platform, open the indicator section, and search for double ribbon indicator by Chart Prime. It's free, so go ahead and add it to your chart. Now that we've got it up, let's fine-tune the settings for maximum performance. Head over to the settings for this indicator, and in the input section, find the length option. Change this value to 200, which will make the indicator consider a longer period of price data, giving us a more comprehensive view of the market's overall trend. You can leave the source parameter at its default setting, which is close, meaning the indicator will analyze the closing price of each candlestick. No need to touch anything in the Style tab. The default visuals work just fine. The double ribbon paints a color-coded ribbon on the chart, which helps us identify market trend direction. When price candles are below the ribbon and the oscillator line is below the 0 level, this signals a clear downtrend. On the other hand, if price candles are above the ribbon and the oscillator line is comfortably above the 0 line, you've got yourself an uptrend. The double ribbon does an awesome job showing us the trend direction, but we still need a precise entry point. That's where our next tool comes in handy. Our second tool, the swing high-low support and resistance indicator, is a game changer for pinpointing swing points. It highlights crucial swing highs and lows by drawing dotted lines at these levels. These points are key for identifying support and resistance, helping us make informed decisions on where to set our stop loss or profit targets. To add this indicator, go back to the indicator section, search for swing high-low support and resistance, and add it to your chart. Now let's fine-tune this one as well. Go to the input section and locate the swing high and swing low strength settings. Set both values to 9 to help the indicator detect stronger, more significant swing points. You can leave the source options as default, the high and low values. Again, the default style settings are perfect for our strategy, so no need to make changes there. Let's jump into how to use this setup effectively. For long trades, if the trend is up, meaning the price candles are above the double ribbon, keep an eye out for a swing high resistance level. Be patient and wait for the price to break through that resistance level and close above it. This is your bullish breakout, a green light to enter a long position. Once you're in, set a stop loss slightly below the previous support level to protect your trade in case of a sudden reversal. For your profit target, aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1.5 to 1 or even 2 to 1, giving you a solid edge. But if you're looking to make way more than that, make sure to watch the entire tutorial because I have some surprises for you. Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. For short trades, when the trend is down price candles below the double ribbon, watch for a swing low support level. Wait for the price to break below this level and close beneath it, signaling a bearish breakout and an opportunity to go short. In this case, place your stop loss slightly above the previous resistance level. Keep that same 1.5 to 1 or 2 to 1 risk-reward ratio for your profit target to maintain effective risk management. work effectively. Always backtest and forward test this strategy under different market conditions. Not every signal will be profitable, especially in sideways markets. So testing helps you gain confidence before trading with real money. I'll share my results in no time. Unlock your trading potential with FundedNext. If you're ready to elevate your trading game to new heights, look no further than FundedNext, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. What sets FundedNext apart? Let me break it down for you. Say goodbye to trading under pressure. With FundedNext, you trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game. With FundedNext, you get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with FundedNext. So as you can see, the results are just mind-blowing. What else would you want from a trading strategy? And before you go, if you're looking for even more trading strategies, be sure to check out the videos on the screen. The top video dives into Fibonacci levels with my customizations to maximize your profit potential, while the bottom left shows you how to turn the strategy into a bot with alerts. Don't miss the bottom right for a viral trading strategy that's taking the trading world by storm. Thanks for watching, and as always, may the charts be in your favor. See you in the next video.